Once Abraham Lincoln said that after satisfying physiological needs, there is the need for safety needs. That's when the SEER trains came in. Imagine you're trying to sleep after a long day from work, and then the honking of cars and the blaring speakers, that noise keeps you awake. Imagine you turn and toss in the bed, frustrated, imagining how you're going to do the work in the next morning. Then at the work, you start dozing. Then there is inefficiency in the work that you're trying to do. Then as the CH rains, we got enlightenment. Imagine, what if there was a solution? What if there was a change that was going to make that mystery into history? Then we introduced the noise booster energy. That's where they come in.
CH Trains came up with a project named Noise Boosters. We are determined and passionate to solve the problem of noise pollution in urban areas, especially in public areas like airports, industries, roads, and some homes too. This will not only be solving the problem of noise pollution, but also the problem of lack of energy. This sound energy will be transformed into other useful sources of energy, leading to a proper and upper development. But of course, there are future expectations.
Can you imagine a city with full of cars, vehicles, industries, and airports, but there is no noise? That will be the expectation of our projects. And also there will be the creation of new markets that will be working in the conversion of those energies, sound energies, into mechanical energies that will be used at the airports, and light energies that will be used for street lightning. That is our project. And then, of course, change makers to face challenges.
Challenges that CH trains will face. Some of them I'll talk about three, and then there is lack of capital. These noise busters energy provision will need large capital, and then as we students can have that capital to invest in that project, to invest in the project which will serve the country. And the second challenge is ignorance of government and citizens, where we have citizens who are illiterate, who doesn't know the importance of Ghostbusters energy provision. And there is lastly the small area of coverage. As they said in an overview, the energy buster provision will be serving the area who are in urban areas. So the urban areas, the face much noise. That's where our project will be working on.
As they say,
No.
But as they say, we are the change makers, and the challenges can't be the hindrances to the change makers. Those challenges are going to be solved in this way: lack of capital. You expect some funds from the government and other donation organizations. The small area of coverage. We said that we are the change makers. We're going to produce some noise in the small cities. Since there is not much noise, we're going to produce some kind of noises, but we're going to handle it through conversion of that noise into renewable energy. There is also ignorance. We're going to synthesize people. The people are going to know much more about the noise boosters and that kind of energy change stuffs. We introduced the reply,
The Queen of Change.
The hope for the future.
And the end, the change maker.
Thank you very much. And we
CH Rains.